Hello everyone, my name is Anggun Widyastuti from Institut Teknologi Sumatera. In this video, we are going to test CPU frequency performance of the microcontroller. The microcontroller which is ESP32, ESP9266, and last Arduino Uno. We will run the same code on all them and then compare the result in the serial monitor. Okay, first go to software Arduino IDE. And write to the code. First, we declare test pin as pin number is 2. Comes in test pin. And we also declare 3 variable to measure how long the operation takes, which is unsigned long start and unsigned. And last, okay, don't declare 3 variable, and then in the setup function we must create void setup. Okay, set the test pin as output and pin mode test pin typo output. Okay, pin mode test pin output. Next, start the serial monitor at 115,200 baud. Serial typo. Serial begin 150. Serial begin 100. Okay. And next, print at start message serial print menu is wait, I'm starting digital web. Point. Okay. Function void setup done, and next we must write a setup function. Okay, set a function done, and next we must writing the function loop. Okay, while loop. Typo. This. Okay. In here, save the start time in microsecond. Start time. Start time. Okay. In test, I am save the start time in microseconds. Next, the for loop runs in 20,000. For in 20,000. Okay. Set the pin height digital let the spin. Oh, typo. Height. Typo again. Okay. And next, set the pin is low. But digital the pin low. Okay. After the loop finish, we wait for save the end time. And time because and calculates the total time taken duration and time and time duration and time calculates start time. Okay, and finally we print the result on the serial monitor is called serial print time recu recuperate for 200 200 200. Okay. Okay. And serial print duration. And let's wait for delay. Oh, serial. Gua udah nge-record. Serial print. Okay. For delay. Wait, 1000. For delay, I'm make way to 1000. Okay. In this delay, I make a 1000 millisecond or 1 second before running the test again, and the code finally done. Okay. And next step is open serial monitor. And this not connected, select a port and a port to connect automatically, and this step we must going tools and connect the microcontroller to computer and port in this computer. First, I test for ESP32. Okay. For the ESP32, select tools, board. In ESP32, select ESP32 dev module and port. I select COM3. Okay. And next, then go to tools, CPU frequency, choose in 240 megahertz. In this test, I test maximum CPU frequency for ESP32. Okay, go to upload code. Error from the not type did you mean code cons compare again typo in line 1 first line typo and the code otomatis error. Okay, then compile not error and this go to upload. Okay, we can see the result. Open serial monitor and this result for ESP32 for time recruit for 2000 is digital web toggles in 21,171 microsecond. Okay, next we test in ESP NIC to 66. In in the test ESP NIC to 66 connect to port. Done. Okay, close serial monitor. First, we go to tools and select the board ESP9266 in generic ESP9266 module, or can select not MCU, but I am in the test. Select the generic ESP9266. Go to tools again and COM3 and CPU frequency in default. Okay, and default 90 megahertz, and in the test I am select 160 megahertz in the maximum compare ESP32 maximum and maximum CPU frequency in ESP NIC266 in 160. Okay, upload. Okay, then upload. We can see result in serial monitor. Okay, next, last, Arduino Uno. We can connect the port. Go to tools. Select the board Arduino AVR board, Arduino Uno, and tools again, COM3, and the CPU frequency is fixed at 16 megahertz. So there is no option to change it. For Arduino Uno, not no option to change CPU frequency because fixed at 16 megahertz. Okay, we going to upload. Then upload, we can see the result. And the result, Arduino Uno around 135,812 microsecond. We can see result Arduino Uno in 135,812 microsecond and ESP32 in 18,260 microsecond, and last ESP next to 66 in 135,804 microsecond. And in this test, conclusion, DSP32 is much faster test microcontroller CPU frequency, completing the test in 18,260 microsecond, and ESP32 is better. Okay, thank you for watching this video. See you.